In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Outlook calendar to Notion. By the end, you'll have your calendar visible right inside a Notion page so you can reference your schedule without switching tabs. First, open your browser and head over to Microsoft.com. At the top, click All Microsoft to see the product list, then select Outlook. If you aren't already signed in, click Sign In and access your Outlook account. Use the account that holds the calendar you want to display. Once you're in Outlook, switch to the calendar view. From there, click View, then choose Calendar Settings to open the configuration panel. In the Settings area, select Shared Calendars. This is where you control what you share and how it's published. Scroll down to the section labeled Publish a Calendar. From the drop-down, choose the specific calendar you want to add to Notion. If you keep multiple calendars, like personal, work, or a shared team calendar, make sure you select the correct one. For permissions, choose Can View All Details. This ensures the embed in Notion shows the full event information. Keep in mind, publishing a calendar makes its details accessible via a link, so only publish a calendar you're comfortable sharing. When you're ready, click Publish. You'll now see two links appear. Click the HTML link. This is the one that displays the calendar in a way Notion can embed. Next, click Copy Link. You've now got the web address that will power your Notion embed. Open a new tab and go to Notion.com. Click Login and access your workspace. If you don't already have a page ready, click Add New to create a fresh page for this embed. In the page, type a / and then the word Embed to bring up the embed block. Click Embed to insert it into the page. When prompted, paste the link you copied from Outlook. Finally, click Embed Link. Notion will load your Outlook calendar right inside the page. Give it a moment to render. You should see your events and be able to scroll through them directly in Notion. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you ever change which calendar is published or adjust permissions in Outlook, refresh the Notion page to see updates. If the calendar doesn't appear, double check that you use the HTML link and not an ICS link. And remember, publishing with full details means event information is visible through that link, so keep privacy in mind. That's it. You've successfully added your Outlook calendar to Notion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.